Okay, so this is a dual main drain for a pool installation I did. I did this all by myself. Didn't hire any pool companies or anything. These are the Hayward main drains. As you can see right there, it says 2-inch. It's a 2-inch branch line, and you can make the trunk line any size, 2-inch or bigger. I went with 3-inch here. And the key to getting this installed right is to have this distance the same as this distance and have this in the middle. If you put it on the center, it's not going to be right because it'll suck for the one closest to it. And the paper said 36 inches on center here for them. To make the threaded part there, I just used pipe dope instead of tape, and same thing on the plug there. And the plug goes in the pot here, not on the bottom. I've seen some people do that, and this is the correct way. And there's the old line, is a 1.5 inch. I just kind of stuck this in here. It's not very good. I accidentally cut the pipe when I cut this, but I tried to stuff it with some sand. Anyway, I have a coupling there because I got the angle off. This was too high and had to rotate it down. But anyway, it comes through here and goes over here, 45's up, and then 45 again, and then into up to the pump house. The reason why I couldn't put it just up through the middle here is because the pool light was in the way, and the diving board has a big slab of concrete that's too deep to chisel through. That's why I had to do that. And since this is so steep, I'm going to have to wet the dirt and make mud and then pack it in. I need to get a little bit more in there and I'll be done.